After realizing that my root account didn't have MFA added to it, I did add it some couple of hours earlier on today, or is it yesterday? So, and I figured it would be nice to share how to add MFA to your I.A.M users. So this is a video on how to do that. So while in the console, navigate to I.A.M, which is your Identity Access Management Service from AWS. And you can see we have a safety recommendation. My root user, which didn't have MFA added to it, as you can tell from my previous video, has MFA now added, which is what I did earlier on, as I mentioned. But I just removed my MFA for this particular user so that I can show you how to do it. So you can straightforward just navigate to the whole user journey process through here. But let's go through this other users tab. So select users, let's collapse that, select this particular user, collapse that because we don't really need it, select security credentials and navigate to multi-factor authentication, then select assign MFA device. I'm gonna use Microsoft Authenticator and I'm going to call this device I.A.M Microsoft MFA. I'm going to select Authenticate app and click next. So I should scan this QR code so that it takes me to the particular app I'll use for my authentication or authentication. So scan that. Oh yeah, you should be able to see what I'm doing from my screen. So we can cancel that. Can scan, search, select Microsoft Authenticator, and let's see, allow, accept. Oh yeah, so yes, it's locked. That's nice. So this is the name that we created a while back. Oh yeah, you can see it. It's a shame. So the code is 014197, and you have to wait for 30 seconds for it to generate another one so that you can use it. And it has 663 545, and no, it didn't take 30 seconds. The code was already generated and the timer was at like 18 seconds. So that's why it seemed like that was fast between the first code and the second. It did take 30 seconds. So 9 seconds to go. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Add MFA. So it's that simple actually, to add MFA to your I.A.M user. We don't need this right now, but I use Microsoft Authenticator and Google Authenticator for my MFA Authenticator apps. As you can see, we are nicely done. That's set. We can navigate to the root user and see that this user now has MFA assigned to them. This is the previous state. If I refresh this page, you'll see that there'll be a radio button over here with an Amazon ARN showing that particular user has MFA added. So here we are, and the name of the device is I.A.M Misfit MFA. Yes, simply that's how you add MFA to your I.A.M users in AWS.